If you're new here, I'm Rob. I'm a self-taught AI builder from Yorkshire, non-technical background. I basically learned it all self-taught over the last 2 years. What I do is Chrome extensions, MCP servers, N8N automations. I mainly concentrate on videos. I'm learning a lot now on how to get Claude to make the videos. And any AI tool that's out there, I'll have a go at. I've got a school community, so if you want to get over there, you can have a look. Subscribe, share, let's get on with it. Okay, how do we install this MCP? So first off, we just start with npm install /g MCPize. See it there, just use that. And then the next one we need is login. So we just go here, MCPize login, and press enter. And that'll take us to the login page. Once you've logged in your details, you'll get the login and boom, you're in. Then you go back to your terminal. Okay, so now we need to open another PowerShell because we want to open Claude Code again. So go to your PowerShell, type Claude, whoops, or however you open it. And that'll open a version of Claude. And there we go, Claude's up and running. Then we simply go to Claude and put that command in there. /plugins marketplace add MCPize /skills and press enter. And away it'll go. Okay, now we can see that the marketplace skills are there. So now we just need to do this plugin for the skills. And you'll get to this interface here. Okay, as you can see here, it's got install for you, install for all. Basically, you just want to click install for you, user scope. So that basically means it'll install for all your projects in the future, so you don't have to do them individually. And you just hit enter like so. Oops, click onto it, enter. And away we go to the next phase. So now what we need to do is install the plugins again. So we just put reload plugins. And away we go. It's got the 3 plugins that we needed. Great stuff. Okay, now we're up and running. We've now got 3 plugins, 5 agents, and the plugin MCP server. So I'm going to hit it with the idea agent. I've got an idea that I want to use. I've got a KDP niche that I'm going to do. So we're just going to do that and see what it comes back with. And we're going to do this in real time. First time I've used it. First time I'm showing you. So let's go ahead. As you see, it's whirling away. I'll come back to when it's done. Okay, now it's come back with some validations. So we've got KD Market competitors, Rapid API, Apify KDP scrapers, Amazon KDP data sources, and KDP niches. Okay, you're now with a screen that basically you either want to say yes, don't ask a question again. So I'm just going to go on to it, and I don't want to be asked a question again to go for web, so I'm just going to do number 2. I'm going to press number 2 and let it crack on. Okay, it's done a bit more running in the background. Now it's asking if it to fetch Rapid API. We're just going to do the same as we did before and just click yes and don't ask me again. If you want to click yes, it'll just keep asking you each time. You just have to keep control of it. You can do that or do what I'm doing. Whatever's up to you. And let it crack on again. Okay, so it's finished. Well, not finished. I'm just showing you what it's been doing in the background. It's basically created all this line of code, hundreds of lines for our little app that we're going to try and sell. As you can see there, we're all down there. So it's like 315 lines of everything. Absolute beast. We're just going to do the same again. We're just going to press number 2 and press enter. Okay, and it's finished its brief. It's done all that. It's crunched it all up, and then the next command will be. Okay, so the next one is, you can just put the next step in. You could actually do it just this way, / MCPize build. You could just put this whole thing in there. I'm just going to put something slightly different in that my Claude has asked me to put in. Then press enter. Okay, it's done all that now. That was really quick, I'll be honest. It said, do you want to proceed again? We're going to press number 2 and don't ask for other stuff. It's just quicker so we don't get interrupted all the time. Do that now. Okay, it's finished doing that. So we've put the prompt in, it's loaded the tools, it's got the environment going, it's got the formula, it's got the extension. It's looking up all these things here. I'll be honest, no idea what they are. The next step will be looking at this and picking whichever one we want. Okay, we've got a few options here. Option 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. If you want to chat about it, you can chat with Claude. For this particular one, we're going to put option 1, because we don't want to be paying for stuff up front before we've got users. Might never sell it, so what's the point? And if we get users later on, we can just update it. So we're just going to go for option 1 and press enter, and away it goes. And then it's giving us other options, so we'll have to weigh these other options up as well. Okay, for my app, it's just going to be number 1, because some of the features in the app are just designed for the number 1 option, so we'll just press that and continue. Then it's going to ask us for review your answers and confirm. Then you just submit your answers and do all the good stuff. Okay, so now we just submit our answers. If you don't want to carry on, just press cancel, number 2. If you do, just press number 1. And let's go. Well, now it's firing all up and building it all up for us and doing its good stuff. Okay, now it's going through its normal stuff again, where it's just going to ask us each time. So we just want to press number 2, so it just goes through it till the end. Okay, it's done a bit more. Yeah, but guess what we're going to do again? We're going to do number 2. Let it crack on. Okay, it's finished that part. Again, I'm just going to press number 2 and continue. I'm just showing you it. I'm going to be doing that pretty much all the way through. Okay, it's done the next part, so now I'm just going to, guess what, press number 2. Okay, if you're wondering why I'm showing you all this, I'm just showing you every place where you need to press it, just so you can be sure and don't get confused if you're going to do it yourself. So yet again, number 2. You guessed it, number 2 again. Okay, we're on to the next one. Yeah, back down to number 2 again. Just so you know, I'm just showing you. I know it's repetitive, but it's there in video form for you. Okay, you've got another request here. Again, number 2. Don't ask again. Okay, we're nearly at the end now, so number 2 again. Okay, nearly there, number 2. You guessed it, number 2. So I've run into a little error, but I'm just going to highlight it to you. It had a couple of servers, so it's trying to kill a couple of servers, so I've had to go through and just keep saying yes, yes, yes. If you get this error, it's not an issue. it will self-heal if you just keep pressing number 2, and finally you'll get to the end stage. I just thought I'd highlight that for you. I've missed a few here, but I've just pressed number 2 all the time. Just keep going through it and it will get there in the end. Okay, now that one's all loaded up. I just want to say before, you don't have to use my stuff because you won't have the infrastructure for this. This is just a guide to show you how to go through it, basically. And you'll have your own ideas, your own MCPs, what you want to set up. It's just a quick path to show you what it takes to get these things up. So the next phase we'll have to do is we have to do some more prompts in Claude. The first one being is to put it into a folder. So I'm just going to put it in this folder there, and then I'm just going to press enter, and I'll get back to you with the results. Okay, so now it gave me a couple of options. I'm just going to do the playground one, see how it works for us. And then you've guessed it, number 2. Okay, so when you've gone through all the process, it'll open up a window on mine. As you can see here, we've got an MCP Inspector, and then you just put the variables in, and away you go. And that is MCP set up. Okay, we're up and running on it. So in the transport type, it was on the studio version. You just drop down to HTTP. Then you put your local hosting, your MCP where it's locally hosted, and Bosch. Press connect, and you're good to go. So once we've connected, we simply just go up to the tools. You can see it's connected to the MCP that we've got, KDP Niche Scraper. Click up the tools. It'll highlight some tools here. So if you clear list, just go back, click in there, and then you just click it, and it'll give you whatever you need. Okay, we've gone to score a niche. We'll put a keyword in, leave it in the US. Royalty mode, Kindle. We just press run tool. And that should come back with some sort of score. So we've got a success. It's got a 56 success. Brand good. Worth considering. It's got all your details here. Got your titles and everything else. And then you just change your title. So let's do something else. Something random. So we'll do tarot cards for beginners. Go back down. Press run. As you can see, scores 45. US market, brand okay, verdict, marginal. So basically you just pass this one, wouldn't you? You really want something above 70, 65 to 70 and above. But yeah, there you go. And that does your research for you. Saves you hours and hours of just digging through Amazon finding stuff. So now we've done all our checks, we know it's working, we want to deploy it. So we're now left with this screen here. We just simply talk to it in normal English. Ready to deploy, shut down the server, and that'll shut down the server and start deploying it. And away it goes. Nearly at the end now. So we're just going to press option 2, don't ask again, and deploy it. It's got a little error up here, don't worry about it. It's all working good. So we just press 2. And away it goes. Waiting for cert to launch, inspect. And it'll do all the coding and launch it into the marketplace. Okay, now we've done all the steps. As you can see on the screen there above you, above me even, it's deployed successfully. And the next one, do you want to proceed? Guess what it's going to be? Number 2. Okay, it's up on the server now. It's all running. You can see it here. At the moment it's free, but we don't want that. We need to fix that. So we need to go back into our PowerShell window and just run the publish, and it will update all the listings and everything else. Okay, that's it, all done now. It's now updated the payment processes and should all be good to go. So let's have a look at it. So there's the MCP in the marketplace, KDP Niche Scorer. It's now a premium product rather than free. You get some free tiers available to test it out. That's how easy it is. All in all, that took me, excuse me, about 2.5 hours to do. But I'm recording and doing screenshots and things like that for the school community. So it'll be there, done and dusted. All in black and white for them, and a video as well. I hope that helps. I'm now going to build a few more of these, so I might do a few more videos on this. It might not make any money. It might make some money. It's worth doing just in case, even if it gives you 20, 30 quid a month. It's 20, 30 quid a month that you didn't have in it. Or might go even better. Might try and make something a bit better than just a KDP niche scorer. Because I do have a KDP maker that's a bit special. If you haven't seen that video, look at that video. Also, it's in school community. It basically makes books, crossword books, all that stuff for KDP. And it auto does it all for you. Gives you the description, the keywords, everything you could want to post to KDP. All you have to do is push buttons and send it, and having a KDP account. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a like. If not, give it a like anyway. It helps. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. Hit like, share, and join the community. Got an idea for me to build? Drop it in the comments. I read every one, and I just might build it.